Witness the symphony of steel and power. These machines are a marvel of engineering, designed to tackle the toughest tasks with precision and efficiency. Get ready for a captivating display of mechanical mastery. Let's begin. This is truly remarkable. The Petzolato PTH 1400/1000ALLROAD is a testament to human ingenuity. Its 700 horsepower Volvo engine and ability to process 800mm logs, producing 380 cubic meters of wood chips per hour, speaks volumes about our drive for efficiency and innovation. The lifting and rotating cabin, along with the crane, demonstrates our desire for effortless control and mastery over our environment. I've always admired the skill and strength it takes to be a lumberjack, but that is awfully damned hard work and dangerous as hell. Kudos to those brave and tough enough to keep the lumber flowing. Looking for power and versatility in the woods? Look no further than the OSA 270 Helgum. This bad boy can haul 12 tons with ease, and its advanced leveling system keeps it stable on even the toughest terrain. Whether you're forwarding logs or processing timber, this machine can handle it all. And with the OSA 710 processor, get ready to unleash the beast. Witness the incredible skill of Mr. Makata, one of Japan's last professional horse loggers, as he expertly guides his equine partner through the forest. This captivating footage, captured in Tono City, Iwate, offers a rare glimpse into a fading tradition. Observe the precision and harmony between man and animal, a testament to years of experience and a deep connection with nature.
Well,
removing trees is not a job for amateurs. Well, this gentleman has constructed a woodcutter in his backyard. While the initial setup required some effort, the operation is now remarkably simple and safe. I anticipate further refinements and improvements to this impressive creation. Ah, that distinctive sound. It evokes a wave of nostalgia for some, a thrilling overture to adventure for others. That 1974 Kenworth Big James with its Detroit 12 V71 engine. It's practically a sonic time capsule, transporting us back to the forests of our youth. I wouldn't be surprised if some of you can practically smell the pine needles and diesel fumes right now. Wow. Check out the precision on this operator. He's got a masterful command of that Cat 305E2. Every movement is deliberate, every maneuver is calculated. See how he uses the machine's weight and leverage to extract that massive root ball? That's textbook excavation technique right there. A true professional. For all his clumsiness, that guy's got more luck than I thought. It's a good thing nothing bad happened. Land management is about maximizing resources. The VM60SR turns site clearing into an asset. Instead of waste, you generate valuable mulch that improves soil conditions and supports future growth. It's a win-win. Clear land efficiently and boost your ecological footprint. Let's talk about something that'll make your hair stand on end. It's a lumberjack's nemesis, always keeping them on their toes. Are you curious? Of course you are. Let's dive in and see what this bad boy is all about.
There goes.
This Dipper Fox SC600 stump grinder? Oh, it's an absolute beast. We're talking serious power here, folks. Stumps are practically reduced to sawdust in seconds. Think of it like a wood chipper on steroids, engineered for maximum efficiency and raw grinding force. You won't find a tougher machine on the market. The freezing temperatures, the icy wood, the treacherous snow. It's a recipe for disaster. But these men, true professionals, conquer the elements with their TDT-55 and get the job done. Their skill and determination are truly impressive.
Собака все с нами, везде с нами, молодец. Ва, тайга. О, сучки, это грибов. Просто аж хрустит. А, подтащила.
Пошла, родимая. Вот так вот, как сути пойдет. Да, вот это курицу тайгу надо-то теперь, а не эту мандолину.
На такой лес надо тяжелую артиллерию. В комментариях пишут, а уже дубы.
Chainsaws and ladders are clearly a disastrous combination. This machine taps into the tree's natural growth process. By removing the dead branches, we're essentially redirecting the tree's energy towards lateral growth. It's like therapy for trees, helping them reach their full potential and produce the most beautiful, knot-free timber. This wood chipper may appear innocuous at first glance, but its capabilities are truly remarkable. It can process trees up to 200 millimeters in diameter and generate 14 cubic meters of wood chips per hour. The video evokes a sense of awe, and perhaps even a touch of fear, highlighting the raw power of this machine. Witness the intricacies of logging operations as a skilled crew navigates challenging terrain to set up a log loader. Observe their expertise in maneuvering heavy machinery like skidders and dozers, even in wet conditions. This is real-world logging, folks, raw and unfiltered. This is the way the Japanese unload logs. You guys are gonna love this. The Pezzolato All-Road is a total beast. It's got the power to handle anything you throw at it, but it's also super agile. And check out that cabin. Talk about comfortable. This machine is a dream come true for anyone who works with wood. You gotta see it to believe it. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
Oh my god.
Precision landing or what?
I've been bucking logs for years, and let me tell you, it's a humbling experience. You can plan all you want, but every log is different. Every cut is a gamble. You gotta respect the wood, respect the forces at play, and never let your guard down. Because when those logs start moving, they don't care how much experience you have. Seriously, you couldn't pay me enough to do that. Hats off to those who can. In Sweden's vast forests, the Hypro 755HB harvester, equipped with the cutting-edge Hypro FG45 clamp, fells trees up to 45 centimeters thick with remarkable ease. Even those with complex root systems are no problem. This machine operates with surgical precision, promoting a healthy forest ecosystem. The Ransom Shark Tooth Stump. Harvester initially struck me as unorthodox. However, witnessing its raw power and efficiency firsthand was a game changer. Its ability to effortlessly pulverize massive stumps is redefining land clearing operations, setting a new benchmark for productivity in forestry. These trees are impressive, no doubt. Years of growth have made them incredibly dense and heavy. Felling them is a precise operation, and loading the logs requires significant force. You can see the power of that excavator as it wrestles those massive logs onto the truck. Who's our driver for this operation? Oh no, not that dude. You know how people say don't judge a book by its cover? Well, that totally applies to this log. It's rough and rugged on the outside, but the inside is just beautiful. Oh, and by the way, every time this guy reaches for the wood, it startles me. Really gives me a scare. That's exhilarating, isn't it, everyone? The driver's skills are truly top-notch, and their nerves of steel are incredible. Not everyone can pull that off. The Ransom RSH40 Stump Grinder. Designed for compact excavators, but don't let that fool you. This beast can handle massive stumps with ease. You don't believe it? Watch this video.
Bring it.
Whoa, hold on. Cutting down trees? No, this is way worse than it looks. The Genshem 593R truck is a game changer in the world of wood processing. Its impressive 300-liter per hour capacity and 1.4-meter intake width make it ideal for a wide range of applications. Whether you're running a small heating plant or a large-scale biomass operation, this machine delivers. And with its compatibility with 3-axle trucks, you'll be maximizing your productivity and minimizing downtime. We're actually pretty fortunate that nature isn't always throwing its full force at us. Now that's what I call impressive. Navigating those inclines with that kind of weight is no easy feat. The driver's expertise was evident, and the truck's power was undeniable. Looking for a stump grinder that's as tough as it is efficient? Look no further. This excavator attachment features a direct transmission system for optimal power and speed, while its durable tungsten teeth make easy work of any stump. Maneuverability? No problem. This grinder swings side to side, eliminating stumps wherever they are. You know, it's funny. We think we're so smart with our gadgets and gizmos, but Mother Nature always has the last laugh. She's full of surprises, that's for sure. Keeps us on our toes. Now this, my friends, is what I call a wood splitter. The box wedge hickory series with its 42-ton cylinder and 48 GPM hydraulic system, turns tough jobs into pure pleasure. Imagine slicing through those hefty logs with the grace of a seasoned lumberjack. That's the magic of the six-way wedge. It's not just power, it's finesse. I've seen a lot of debarkers in my time, but the Raver WD1400 is in a league of its own. It handles massive logs, any wood type you throw at it, and the optical detection system is spot on. Smooth speed control, minimal downtime. This machine is a real workhorse. If you're serious about sawmill efficiency, the Raver WD1400 is the way to go. Looking for the ultimate logging machine? Look no further than the Sennebogen 830E. This powerhouse effortlessly blends rugged reliability with cutting-edge technology. Its accessible design and powerful engine options, including a whisper-quiet electric version, make it the perfect choice for any logging operation. Experience unparalleled productivity and efficiency with the Sennebogen 830E. If that adrenaline rush left you wanting more, hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell. We're constantly pushing the limits of what's possible, so stay tuned for more mind-blowing machinery and epic feats. Until next time, keep it extreme.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू हेमोसेरी व्लॉग्स। आई होप आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे और भरपूर तरीके से अपनी लाइफ को एंजॉय कर रहे होंगे। तो आज हम काफ़ी दिनों बाद व्लॉग शूट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि आज हमारे एक फ्रेंड हैं जो कि काफ़ी टाइम बाद उनसे हमारी मुलाकात होने जा रही है। तकरीबन कोई 4 से 5 साल के बाद हमारी मुलाकात होने जा रही है। मैट्रिक से लेके उसके बाद तक मेरी उनसे मुलाकात नहीं हुई। आज मैट्रिक के बाद फर्स्ट डे उनसे मुलाकात होगी और आप लोगों की उनसे मुलाकात करवाते हैं, आप लोगों को भी उनसे मिलवाते हैं। और अभी रेडी शेडी हो गए हैं, हम तकरीबन रेडी होते हैं। शेरां दे मुंह तो होते ही होंगे ने, ठीक है। तो हम रेडी हैं, अभी परफ्यूम वगैरह लगाते हैं। और अभी हमने ना एक और न्यू स्टॉक के अंदर ऐड किया है 804 कैदी नंबर 804। उसकी रीज़न ये थी कि आप लोगों को पता है कि उर्स मुबारक की आमद है, ठीक है। समझ तो रहे हैं आप लोग मेरी बात को। उर्स मुबारक की आमद है, तो हमने कहा कि चलो खान साहब के हक के अंदर हम एक परफ्यूम लॉन्च कर देते हैं। तो हमने 804 परफ्यूम लॉन्च कर दिया है। आप लोग हमारे मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर मैं लिंक भी ऐड कर दूंगा, आप लोग वहाँ से बाय मैं नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन के अंदर लिंक भी ऐड कर दूंगा, आप वहाँ से जाके बाय करें। बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस के अंदर आप लोगों को परफ्यूम्स हमारे मिल जाएंगे। और जो कैदी नंबर 804 का जो हमने परफ्यूम लॉन्च किया उसके अंदर 8 डिफरेंट नोट्स हैं। बहुत कमाल का परफ्यूम है, इंजॉय करें आप लोग भी। आप लोगों को मैं दिखाता हूँ, अभी लगाते हैं फिर आप लोगों को दिखाता हूँ। ये देखें, ये हमारे पास ये हमारे पास कैटलॉग है परफ्यूम्स का, ठीक है। ये आप लोग देख सकते हैं सारे। वर्साची पड़ा है, हैवक सिल्वर है, गोल्ड है, दनहिल है, ठीक है। डियोर स्वाच है, फिर ब्लू आइस है, और ये गुची है, गुची फ्लोरा। ये है हमारा कमाल का परफ्यूम, ठीक है। 804 कैदी नंबर 804। अभी हम इसको ओपन करते हैं और फिर आप लोगों को बताते हैं इसके रिज़ल्ट किस तरह के हैं। अच्छा, खुल जा सिम सिम, खुल गया सिम सिम। अच्छा जी, ये चेक करें आप। आय हाय हाय, उस्ताद लुक चेक करें पहले, आप उसकी लुक चेक करें। आय हाय खान साहब, क्या बात है खान साहब। मैंने वुल्फ का इसलिए लगाया है क्योंकि ये जो होता है ना, ये बहुत कमाल की चीज़ होती है वुल्फ, ठीक है। ये शेर से भी आगे की चीज़ होती है। सो मैंने ये सेलेक्ट किया लोगो, और ये आप देख सकते हैं फाइजन फ्रेगनेंसेस, ठीक है। तो अभी हम इसको लगाते हैं और फिर आप लोगों को दिखाते हैं। उस्ताद जी कमाल हो गया, जल्ला मल्ला हो गया, टैट हो गया मोल। तो बहुत कमाल की फ्रेगरेंस है, ठीक है। अच्छा, एक चीज़ और, आप लोग कहेंगे कि यार ये सारा स्टॉक आप खुद ही लगा लेते हो और यही आप सेल कर रहे हो। ऐसा नहीं है, ये मैंने टेस्टर्स अपने लिए रखे हुए हैं। तो जो हम आगे सेल करते हैं कस्टमर्स को, वो हम डिफरेंट बना के देते हैं, ठीक है। और वो क्योंकि हमारे पास पहले हम मिच्योर होने के लिए रख लेते हैं उनको बना के, तो ये मैंने अपने लिए रखे हुए हैं। सो इस चीज़ पे भी ना कीजिएगा कि आप बनाते हो और खुद लगाते हो फिर लोगों को, ऐसा नहीं है। आपका भाई ब्रांड है और ब्रांडों वाला काम कर रहा है, ठीक है। लव यू हो गया आप सब लोगों को। अच्छा, तो जी फौजा पहुंच गए ने, मतलब दोस्त लेने आ गया। तो अभी हम चलते हैं और आप लोगों को उन सबसे मिलाते हैं। सो साथ जुड़े रहेगा, लेट्स गो। अच्छा, तो गाइस हमारा खाना शाना आ गया है यहाँ पे, और ये हैं भाई उमर नदीम जो बेचारे शर्मा रहे हैं, और ये भाई है अवैस नदीम। करने तो दे मुझे एक बारी ये मैं कट कर लूँगा। ये लव यू हो रहा है दोनों का, आप एक दूसरे के साथ। अच्छा, तो गाइस जो मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था कि हमारे एक दोस्त हैं जिनसे काफ़ी टाइम बाद हमारा मीटअप हो रहा है, वो ये भाई हैं अवैस भाई, जो कि माशाल्लाह सऊदी होते हैं आजकल। और इनको तो आप जानते ही होंगे, ठीक है। अवैस भाई से अभी ना खाने में मसरूफ़ है, आप सेहत इनकी देख सकते हैं माशाल्लाह से। तो अभी ये खाने में बिजी हैं, तो खाना शाना खाएंगे। इन्होंने देखो चावल मेरे आगे रख दिए हैं, बाकी सारा कुछ अपने आगे रख दिया है। तो खाना शाना खाते हैं, तो फिर इनसे आपकी बात करवाते हैं। लो पकड़ो।